let's solve this integral by substituting u equals to cos inverse x. Let's see how it works. U equals to cos inverse x is implies cos of u is equals to x. Now let's differentiate this. Therefore dx equals to differentiation of cos is minus sine of u into du. Okay. So we have this. What about limits? Limits when x tends to 0. Pi by 2 cos inverse 1 is 0 degree. Cos 0 is 1, 0 degree. Therefore 0 to 1 become pi by 2 to 0. Here pi by 2 to 0. Sine of u dx become minus sine of u into du. This minus I will change here 0 to pi by 2. Okay, is equals to, here we have sine u into sine u, it becomes 0 to pi by 2, here sine square u du. So sine square u is what we have, 0 to pi by 2, 1 minus cos of 2x upon 2 into du. This is u. Now let's integrate this. Half, here we have only u minus sine of twice u upon 2, limit is from 0 to pi by 2 is equals to half pi by 2 minus, so here we have 0, upper limit minus lower limit, it becomes 0, is equals to pi by 4. Okay. So this is the required answer.